Hello students, welcome back to my video. So I hope you have understood the file transfer protocol in the last video which I have explained. Okay. Now today we'll see about network terminal protocol, that is telnet. So what is the meaning of telnet? So telnet is short form of teletype network. Okay. From teletype it is taken tel, and from network it is taken net. So telnet. So what is it? So telnet is the main network protocol used on the internet for connecting with a remote computer. Understood now? That means it is a network protocol. It is a protocol, that means the rules. It is a network protocol of the internet which is used to connect with the remote computer. Remote computer means the far off computers. That means the other computers. This protocol helps a user to log on to a remote computer and function as if he is connected directly to the computer. That means this function allows you to connect directly with the remote computer. Okay, the third party computer. Directly it will help to connect you with that computer. Okay, and as if you will realize that you are directly connected to the computer, but actually it is remote, it is far off. The user starts a session by specifying the computer to which he wants to connect. Okay, user can start the session which computer she want to connect by providing the host address at the system prompt as shown below. So in this way we can give the host address where we want to connect. So this is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax given. In this we have to write. Okay, this is the greater than sign telnet less than sign host address greater than sign, in this way. Normally the telnet session requires a valid user login and password. Okay, this requires normally. Usually these two things are needed for login, password and user ID, which are given by the user. Once the connection is established, anything typed by the user is directly sent to the remote computer. After the connection is established by giving the login username and password, then connection is established, then anything can be typed by the user and it goes directly to the remote computer. Understood? The user can terminate the session by typing log off or log out. So in this way, if the user if want to stop the connection, if want to go, then you have to type log off in this way. Then it will, the connection will be what? It will be stopped. Okay, disconnected. This is called telnet network terminal protocol. Next is news group. What is called news group? News groups are similar to emails, except that instead of sending your message to someone's mailbox, the message is posted on a bulletin board where anyone can read it and respond. Oh, okay. So news group means it is like an email where you what you can do, you can send your messages directly to your to your destination. Okay, but here difference is that the message, whatever you are sending, the message is posted on the bulletin board. Bulletin board means it is a public now. Okay, your message is public, so it can be read by anyone and it can be responded by anyone. Respond means you can replied by anyone, but in email you've sent your personal messages. Okay, that is your private. But here news group is not private, it is public. It is posted directly to the bulletin board or where anyone can read it and respond to your message. This allows a discussion to take place among several people. Okay, that means when everybody can read it, then obviously the discussion can start. Okay, some people will reply to your message. A news group may have several active discussion at this time. This discussion happen in threads and groups of related articles that are, generally have the same subject line. So in this way discussion can start, and the articles which are related to your article, okay, that can also be shown here in the same bulletin. So that is called news group. Like in Twitter, if you post anything in the Twitter, okay, I don't know if you have used the Twitter or not. If you post anything in the Twitter by giving some hashtag, okay, which is going on nowadays, then everybody can read it and anybody can reply to your post. Okay, your tweet. So same here also, then the discussion can start. So next, see, So a news group is a discussion about a particular subject. So it is a discussion about a particular subject consisting of notes written to a central internet site and redistributed through Usenet, a worldwide network of discussion groups. Okay. So in this way, it is distributed worldwide through Usenet. So Usenet, it is a worldwide network. Again, it is a discussion group. So Usenet uses the network news transfer protocol. That means Usenet uses this protocol, NNTP, network news transfer protocol. There are 8 official categories of news groups in Usenet hierarchy. So these are as follows. So there are 8 official categories in the news group. So what are they? Category 1, that is COM. Description is what? News group related to computers and computing. So this is the news group. COM is the news group where the articles related to computers and computing can be posted, can be read. Okay. Then humanities. So under this topic, literature, art, other topics covered by the term humanities. Okay. So this is the discussion of humanity. Here you can post about the humanity related topics. Then MISC, this is miscellaneous topics. Miscellaneous topics can be anything. Okay. The news means these news groups cover issues related to news groups themselves. Unless you are interested in issues of news group administration, this category will probably not interest you. Okay, news group means it is related to the news group only, this network only. So if you are interested, then you can, but if you are not, then it is not for you. So, however, some of the postings relate to Usenet policy issues and explanatory articles for new users. This will be a great interest to a new user. Then REC. It is the subject here is recreation. Recreation includes what? Sports, hobbies, any other type of fun activity like entertainment. Okay, so this is in this topics. This news group is related to recreation, our sports, hobbies, any other things. Then SCI, that means science. News group related to scientific topics. Okay, their discussion of scientific topics can be done. SOC means social and cultural issues get discussed in this group. Okay, understood? It is useful for socializing. Then talk means these news groups are meant for talking about all kinds of issues, especially political arguments. So this is talking. Okay, argumenting. So these are the 8 categories of news group where you can post your discussions. Okay. A few other categories are also developed over these years, such as ALT. ALT means these alternate groups feature postings about anything that does not belong in the mainstream group. That means the things which are not included here in the mainstream can be uh, used here. Okay, can be posted here in alt group. Then Bs means here is where you will find postings related to business and commercial jobs. So this is related to business and commercial jobs. Okay, related to market. So there are thousands of news groups available online. Each service provider has to decide which of these news group will be carried on in their service. Okay, this is who gives this news group. Service provider will give you. Okay, so there are thousands of news groups available online. Since there are millions of messages posted to this news group, the service provider also decides how many days or weeks the message should be kept available for viewing. Okay, daily thousands of messages are posted, so it cannot keep all the messages forever. So service provider will decide how many days it will keep the message. There is a limit to how many messages can be saved. Okay, and still allow room for new messages. So you will need to check your newsgroup regularly to be sure that you do not miss any messages. Understood now? Now participating in a newsgroup. How to participate in newsgroup? There are 2 ways in which you can participate in a newsgroup. Either by choosing only to read what others are saying or by choosing to participate. So how can you participate in? How can you post? Or how can you read it? So there are 2 ways, either by choosing only to read. Okay, only you want to read or what others are saying, or by choosing to participate. Participate means by replying. If you use Outlook Express, then configure Microsoft Outlook Express to access newsgroup. Okay, this is a program, Microsoft Outlook Express. Here you can access the newsgroup. When you access newsgroups, a new window will be opened on your computer. You can return to your browser by switching windows. Okay, when you are done with the news groups, close the news group window. So this is one example by Outlook Express. Okay, next topic, what is given? Home news group. What are the home news groups given? The news group servers are hosted by various organizations and institutions. Okay, news groups who post these organizations, various and institutions. Most ISPs, that means internet service provider, host their own server on or rent access to one for their subscribers. So they also post. Okay, these ISPs, they also provide the news group. There are also a number of companies that sell access to premium news servers. Okay, the private companies also sell access to news servers. Every host of a news server maintains agreements with other news servers to synchronize regularly. So every host, okay, they will maintain a agreement between the other new users. In this the way, new servers form a network. So in this way, all the new servers get connected with each other, form a network. When a user posts a message on a new server, the message is stored locally. Okay, if someone posts a message, that will be stored locally between the new servers. That server then share the message with the other servers that are connect to it. Understood how the message is sharing, and from those servers to other servers and so on. So the chain will become, okay, like this. Here suppose message is posted, so he will send here, he will send here, he will send here, like this. It will goes on like this. The message will be shared with every other server in the news group. Understood? These were all about the news group. So I hope you've understood the news group. So study well, read well. Uh, Again, okay. Thank you.